to my channel. Today we will be baking, drumroll please, a brown stew liver for breakfast. It's early in the morning. It is 10, it's not that early, but it's 10 o'clock. So yeah, if you would like to see what it turns out to be, please stay tuned. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so first off, in a pot with heat under it, we will put some sugar. Now, some people put oil, but this way it has less oil, you know, to skim out afterwards. Because you know, when you have a gravy and it's really greasy and stuff like that, yeah, no. So I'm going to put enough. That was about 2.5 scoops of sugar, and we will turn the heat up, and I will come back to you when the sugar starts to caramelize and show you what to do next. So stay tuned. See how I'm saying what I said in the last frame, that it will start to caramelize? So what you want to do is have somewhat of a consistent heat so that all the sugar caramelizes. So it's just around the perimeter that is caramelizing right now. I will take a spoon and start to stir. Not quite ready yet. One thing you have to do is make sure you pay attention, because you don't want the sugar to burn. Just keep stirring. You know, it's getting hot enough. It's getting to the consistency that we want. You see around the edges? That's that foaming consistency that we want. This is exactly the consistency that we really want. See that? It started to bubble, and now we will add the meat. Well, you know, my meat was seasoned prior to making this video. So this is the liver that it's fully seasoned the day before. And you just let the sugar caramelize over it, and you're gonna see the dark color that it becomes. That's why it's called brown stew. See it already happening? I'll come back when it is completely, or at least when it starts to turn, so I can give an example. So all I added was some garlic powder and a little bit of black pepper. You know, you just want to season it up, and we will add our veggies in. So in this container, yes, it's a butter dish, but in this container is some tomatoes, some onions, some bell peppers. That cube that you see right there, that is some ginger and a Scotch bonnet pepper. Just gonna add this into the pot. Just like that. And yeah. Just be careful not to pop this, or it's gonna just be really spicy. But if you like spice, which I do, but everyone else in the house does not like spicy things, then just put it in there just for the flavor. So here I'm taking out the pepper because it will be too hot if it stayed in and cooked longer. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.